What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the MGC 5x5, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so right here we have the MGC 5x5, and this video is actually delayed because this cube right here was on pre-order and I didn't actually notice that, so that's why I didn't have any backup video to upload at that time. But yeah, let's just get right into this unboxing. So as you can see, it comes in the MGC 5x5 box with lots of squares all around here. And I think I made a cut like right here or something. Yeah, I did make a cut here. And I've actually not solved the 5x5 in like, I would say 2 to 3 months because my other one actually broke for some reason. And yeah, that was a Maylong M5x5, by the way, and it was probably not as good as this one's going to be. And yeah, let's just open this box real quick. And as you can see right here, we're going to have the cube and the accessories box. If you don't already know what's in here, then all there is like 2 sets of springs. One is more strong and one is less strong. Compared to the ones that are already in the cube. And as you can see right here, we have some extra magnets in case some magnets fall out or something. And right here, we're going to have a red screwdriver. And yeah, let's get right into the unboxing of this cube. So as you can see, we're going to have to take off this wrapping first. And I'm trying to make this make this unboxing faster than the MGC 4x4 unboxing because that one took a relatively long time, so I'm just going to unbox this real quick. Comes in the same shades, I'm pretty sure. And yeah. Okay, so here's the cube. It comes in stickerless and black plastic. I got it in stickerless because it's just my preference, and out of the box, it feels like the exact same as the 4x4, which is already going to be a very good sign. It's also a lot smoother than the MGC 4x4 because I guess they put a little bit more factory lube in there or something. And the second layer is also pretty smooth, as you can hear. And just turning a 5x5 in a long time feels pretty different because I've only solved the other ones except for this one. So yeah. And as you can see, the shades, I'm going to make a quick checkerboard pattern. These are some bright shades, and I like them a lot because they have some high contrast, and it's also pretty similar to the MGC 4x4 and the other ones that I have, so it's going to be easier to recognize, I guess. And onto some algorithms. Oops, probably should make this in frame a little bit better, but yeah. So yeah, very smooth, like I mentioned before. And yeah, still getting used to a 5x5 because I haven't solved one in a long time. And yeah, let's just undo this thing right here. And some first impressions are that the magnet strength for the outer layers are actually not as strong as I thought it would be, which is not a bad thing. But if you like really strong magnets, then maybe you want to put some of these magnets in here, if you have enough of them, that is. And for the inner layer magnets, as you can see, it's a little bit more clicky than the outer layer magnets because it will make it more stable for like the 3x3 stage. And yeah. And now let's get right into the review. I've now used the MGC 5x5, so it's time to review it. So it has been 2 weeks since I first got it, and it's still feeling the same. It is insanely smooth, as you can hear on both layers. And the corner cutting is even better now that I've tensioned it. So now it's like a little bit past that mark that it was used to be corner cutting at. And the reverse is also a little bit improved. And I have not looped the pieces yet because there was already like a big amount of lube in it already, and that's why it was feeling insanely smooth, like I mentioned before. So I've tensioned it about 1.25 turns, and it feels very stable. And for the core, I lubed it with some Weight 5 lube, and that got rid of the spring noise that was annoying in the unboxing part. While I was lubing the core, I guess some lube got onto the pieces because now the second layer was very slow. But I've actually solved that problem now because I've disassembled it a little bit and then wiped down the lube a little bit. So that's why you should be careful when you're lubing any Rubik's Cube, especially the higher layer puzzled ones, because I'm pretty sure that also happened a little bit to my MGC 7x7, so that's some tips right there. For the experience using this puzzle, it was exciting because just the upgrade from my old 5x5, which was the Maylong one, and then comparing that to the MGC 5x5 is a drastic difference. And I'll recommend this cube to anyone who's looking for a magnetic 5x5 that is a medium priced magnetic 5x5, and it's also balanced in terms of price and potential of the cube. Overall, I'll rate it a 5 out of 5 since it's a 5x5. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, then make sure to smash that like button. And also, make sure to stay tuned for the MGC 6x6 unboxing. And also the review of it, which is going to be probably the next video. And also stay tuned for some more kendama stuff coming soon. And make sure to subscribe for the 500 subscriber giveaway. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.